Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle is a Two Stars Sudoku in additional, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, last day of August the 31st, 2023. No, because in today's newspaper there are no extra puzzles, no additional. It's the additional of the yesterday's newspaper, Wednesday, August the 30th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle because there are three puzzles left. One puzzle I've already done, so two puzzles remain: the tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku, and the Two Stars Sudoku. And this one will be number 7017. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, a lot. This is a lot. 32 printed digits. Cannot be a 2 stars. I think it's a 0 stars. For 0 stars, a puzzle I need to be faster than maybe 15, maybe 14, maybe 13 minutes. If it's really a 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, we'll see if this is really a 2 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. 3 in this column, first column, 3 in the second column. So the third column, now we need to place level 3 should be here. Oh, there we see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. The 9 in this column, third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, only 3 place left for the 9 should be here. Oh, there we see a 9 in the first row, no 9 there. Here 9 in the third row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. Alright. Then let me see. 5, okay. 1. 3 missing numbers in the second row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 1 to 8. And look, we have a 1 in this column, so no 1 there. And 1 in this column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be there. Okay. 1. Need a 1 there. Okay. So we have a 1 in the third row, 1 in the second row. So first row, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 and 8. Okay. Then need a 2 here, need a 2 there. Okay, come on. 4. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So the last column, only 3 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. Here 9 in this row, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. Now I can continue with the 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see here 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 1. Alright. And now 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in the last column, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7. Oh, 7. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. 7 here. Cannot continue with the 7 now. Need to wait. Need a 3 here. Need a 3 there, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 in this box. We have a 3 in this column, so no 3 in that box. So one box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. 3 in this column. Last column. 3 in that column. So the column between, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We see a 3 in this row, no 3 there. Here 3 in the row below, so no 3 there. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Alright. 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see a 3 in this column, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used, I can see. Digit number 3, number 3. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. Only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in this box. Yeah, 6 in the second row, so no 6 in that box. So 1 box left for the 6 in this big square should be there. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first row, no 6 there. 6 should be there. And all the 6's. Oh, we need a 6 here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here, here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. Here, 6 in that row, no 6 there. Only place left for the 6 should be there. Now I can count. And all the 6's are used, I can see. Digit number 4, number 6. Alright. Okay. And now 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in the column next, so that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see a 4 in this row, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4, 4. Cannot continue with the 4 now. 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Okay. 8 and 5. 8 and 5. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the bar. The 1, the 2 is missing. 5 in this row. 5 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the second row. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used, I can see. This is number 5, okay. Alright, and now 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 missing numbers in the second row for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1. The 1, the 2 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square. Same numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then One box left in this big square for the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. One box left in this column, I believe the same number, the 8, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8 is missing. So one number left in this big square for the number 1, the 2 is missing. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column, so the column next down, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. One box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this row, 4 in that row, so no row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. You see here 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7, 8. Do we have a 7 in this row? No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. One box left in this row for the number 1, the 2 is missing. One box left in this, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 7 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. 0 stars. I believe faster than 15, 14, 13, 12, 11 minutes. Not the 2 stars, but we solved it again, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, a jigsaw Sudoku in additional of the Wednesday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.